Lily was a little girl who seemed to have stepped right out of a cartoon. Her bright red hair bounced with every step, and her eyes were as big and blue as the summer sky. She wore a polka dot dress and bright yellow boots, ready for any adventure. One sunny morning, Lily found a tiny, lost bird in her garden. The bird's wing was hurt, and it chirped sadly. Lily knew she had to help. She carefully picked up the bird and brought it inside. She made a cozy nest for the bird in a small box filled with soft cotton. Lily fed the bird tiny drops of water and crumbs of bread, talking to it in a gentle sing-song voice. The bird began to chirp happily when Lily was near. Days turned into weeks, and the bird's wing healed. Lily knew it was time to let the bird go. With a bittersweet feeling, she took the bird back to the garden. Lily opened her hands, and the bird flew up into the sky. It circled once above her head and then flew away. Lily watched it go, a big smile on her face. She knew she had done something good. Lily then went back to her house, ready for her next adventure. She skipped towards her room, her red hair bouncing. Lily felt happy because she helped someone in need. She was a real-life cartoon hero. Lily found her crayons and drew a picture of a bird flying. She hung it on her wall, remembering the tiny bird she had helped. She knew that even small acts of kindness could make a big difference. Lily was a little girl who was always ready to spread joy, and her day was just beginning. Lily decided to go outside again and look for new friends.